Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJs tutorial. Today I will show the NodeJs file system module. NodeJs as a file server. The NodeJs file system module allow you to work with the file system on your computer. To include the file system module to use required method, suppose bar fs file system is variable and required required fs. So this is the fs is the file system module. This include and it's set to the variable fs. The common use of file system module. File system module, suppose read file, create file, update file, delete file and rename file. The file system module has the below operation: read file, create file, update file, delete file and rename file. So now we will show the how we can read a file. So at first we need to create a file. Suppose file demo file 1.html. So this is the demo file .html. We will make the HTML file and then we will include the demo HTML file in Node.js file. So here HTML this is the body, is one, suppose my header, and then set the paragraph my paragraph. So this is the HTML file. We will include this file by file system. So at first we need to read read file fs dot read file. Here is the file name demo file 1.html and this is the and set the callback function error. This is the data. Sorry. This is the response dot write head 200 and set the content type text HTML and then res dot write the data HTML file all data come to and set in data variable, and this is the response of read file data and set the rex dot write in data, then res dot end. So this is the read function of file system module. So now we will run our project, Node.js project, node index.js. So here is the showing my header and my paragraph. So here at first we create the HTML file, then HTML file we read by fs module, file system module. This is the file system module, and then file system module we read the HTML file and set data to the HTTP response. Finally we run the project in 8080 port. So this is the read file by file system. Thank you.